Ever had a meeting delayed because your video conferencing system just won't cooperate? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some common video conferencing problems. Let's go through a quick troubleshooting guide to get you back on track. No display output. The screen stays blue or shows no signal. Audio not working. You can't hear others, or they can't hear you. Camera not detected. Your camera isn't recognized, or the feed is blurry. Connectivity issues. The call keeps dropping, or there's lag. Touch controller not responding. Your Zoom, Teams, or WebEx controller is unresponsive. First, ensure all cables are securely connected. A loose HDMI or network cable can cause display and connectivity issues. If the system is unresponsive, try restarting the video conferencing device, display, and touch controller. Ensure the display is set to the right input source. Sometimes it switches accidentally. If there's no sound, check the audio settings and make sure the correct microphone and speaker are selected. A weak or unstable network can cause lag and call drops. If needed, switch to a wired connection or restart the router. Keeping your system updated helps prevent software bugs and ensures compatibility with the latest conferencing platforms. And just like that, you're back in business. Regular maintenance and simple troubleshooting can keep your meetings running smoothly. With those simple but yet effective troubleshooting tips, you should be in a functional and working state in minutes. Fast, easy, and ready for collaboration. Like and subscribe for more AV tips.